Hi, this is Brad Linder with Liliputing, and this is a Nexus 5 smartphone running Google Android software. And I can use Google's voice search functionality to set reminders and ask questions and do other things. But there's also an application here called Bing Torque, which lets me use Microsoft's Bing software to do it. Now, Bing Torque was originally designed to run on Android Wear smartwatches, but starting with version 2.0, it also runs on phones. So just to give you a quick sort of comparison, I can say, "Okay, Google, what time is it?"
The time is 1:50 p.m.
Or I can shake the phone and say, "What time is it?" And it doesn't speak the word, but you can see that it does bring up the time pretty quickly. You can trigger this either manually by going into the Torque app and saying "Start Torque" on the phone, or you can choose to shake your phone anytime and have it recognize. So you can ask all sorts of different questions. 32 times 78. Philadelphia sports scores. Weather forecast. What's the temperature in London? Now there are some things that it won't do, so for instance if I wanted to remind me to buy cat litter, I get a message saying that this feature is not available on this platform, but it's something that might be available in the future, perhaps. You can also do basic web searches. Brad Linder. And you can see here that it's bringing up my blog, Twitter account, and so forth. So I can click on any of these, and it'll just open a web browser. So that's a quick look at Bing Torque version 2.0 for Android. It's sort of Microsoft's answers to Google's voice actions and voice search functionality, which is built into the Google Search app for Android. It's available as a free download, and you do need to enter your Microsoft account information in order to use this, and it'll save your search history, and it works a lot like Google's features, but it's Bing Torque. So available previously only for Android Wear smartwatches, now available for larger number of Android devices. This is Brad Linder with Liliputing.